procrastination, or we call it maybe perfectionism. It's kind of different, but really the underlying reason for that is fear. You're just afraid, right? What if, Sir John, mag-publish ako ng video? Pagtawanan ako. I've been there. Look at my YouTube video, right? Oh man, I can't tell you. Kung yung pag-a-accuse ng scammer will cost me 100 pesos, I will be gazillionaire. Sa dami na nagsasabi, wala naman sila mapapakita prueba, whatever they search. We have those fears, right? Sir John, alam nyo, excited ako eh. Yung ginagawa mo, gusto ko rin gumawa ng Facebook page, mag-YouTube, mag-Facebook din ako. Right? We always have these fears. Can I really do this? Because we're looking for certainty. Ano yung certainty? You want to be sure that before I even do this will produce me results. Then, if you're someone do that, you're delusional. That's not gonna happen. You have to take some risk. But the good thing I'm sharing with you guys right now is, unlike traditional businesses, that it will cost you millions to get started, not in this business. If you don't have money, well, you gotta invest your time. But that's okay, at least you can start it. But there are businesses na you have to cost you money. Nagbutika po ako before. Like yung maliit na butika. Kala nyo, maliit lang yon? Like, I don't know, 300,000, $500,000 investment. Not in this business.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.